Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Autocad drawings for civil engineering. Start by familiarizing yourself with the Autocad interface. Focus on essential navigation tools such as pan and zoom. Master basic drawing commands like line, circle, and arc to create foundational shapes. Consistent practice with these tools is crucial for building a strong base in civil drafting. Next, delve into civil-specific drawing techniques. Efficiently organize your drawings using layers for elements like roads, utilities, and contours. Learn to apply precise dimensioning and annotations to convey critical information. Incorporate blocks for repetitive components and external references for large projects, significantly boosting your productivity and drawing accuracy. As you progress, explore advanced Autocad features. Utilize polylines and splines for creating intricate site plans and profiles. Master object snaps and object tracking to ensure extreme precision in your drawings. A solid understanding of coordinate systems, including universal transverse Mercator, is vital for accurate mapping and surveying in civil engineering applications. Finally, consistent practice with real civil engineering projects is key. Work on examples like site layouts, grading plans, and utility designs. Actively seek feedback on your drawings to refine your techniques and identify areas for improvement. Consider pursuing an Autocad certification to formally validate your skills and enhance your professional credibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.